This is what we're talking about, 200 frames.
This video sponsor is our website, no.exe. Make sure to check it. All the files in this video are going to be there. After downloading the files from the link, extract this, then go here, copy everything, go to your game folder location, then paste. If it says replace, just replace and make sure to paste in Elden Ring, then game folder and paste here. And don't forget to disable Nvidia signature override. For those that have the original copy of the game, just go to your game, then properties on Steam, and here in the launch option, paste this command. This command is going to be in the description and in the mod post in my website. Now what you have to do is launching your game. Here press the home key to open this. You can support the upscaler mod developer by pressing here donate. Here in this menu, enable this to make the performance better in terms of CPU, and in this one enable the Nvidia DLSS. Even if you have AMD or Intel or unsupported GPU for Nvidia DLSS, you can enable it. Here you can enable the upscaler if you want. For me, I will use DLSS. You can choose performance mode or wherever you want. Make sure to unlock the 60 FPS lock for Elden Ring, and here click yes. If you want to use sharpness, use it. Press this key in the keyboard to open this menu. In this one, you can enable the stats bar. It will show you here your FPS, latency, and the FG mode that you are using. Now you have to restart the game in case to make the DLSS FG works. We are here in the game. As you can see, now we are using the X2 mode. We are getting around 100 frames. Then we just swap it to X4 mode. As you can see, it's now around 160. Of course, without recording, the FPS is going to be more. You can open this menu, make the reflex boost on. Maybe it will make the latency better. Here you can enable game start boost. It makes the game load faster. I didn't try this, but you can do it. As you can see, the experience is so better. The ghosting is not that noticeable. Like, imagine you are using the X4 mode. My brothers, this is the video. I hope you like it. See you in the next one.